Setting up a traffic generation campaign on Facebook. The Facebook advertising platform is a very powerful and cost-effective tool to generate very targeted traffic. Setting up a traffic generation campaign on Facebook is easier than you might think, and we're about to show you how. Accessing the Facebook Ads Manager. Start on Facebook's homepage and click on the User Menu button. Now click on the Create Ads button to access the Ads Manager dashboard. Setting up your traffic generation campaign. Once you open the Ads Manager, you will be asked to select your marketing objective. To generate traffic to your website, you have to select Traffic as your marketing objective by clicking on the Traffic option under the Consideration column. Now enter a name for your new traffic generation campaign in the Campaign Name field and click on Setup Add Account. Now select your account country, the currency that you want to use for billing and reporting, and your time zone. Now click on Continue to move on to the next step. Setting up your ad set. Now it is time to set up your ad set. Here, you'll have to select your traffic preferences, your target audience, your ad placements, and your budget. Start by entering a name for your new ad set in the Ad Set Name field. Now you have to select where to drive traffic in the traffic section. You can send traffic to 3 destinations: to a website, to an app, or to the Messenger application. In this lesson, we are going to show you how to send traffic to a website, so we're going to select Website as our destination. Next, you have to set up your audience in the Audience section. Start by selecting your audience locations. To add a target location, you'll just have to type the name of a location in the Locations field, and then to click on the name of the location as it appears in the results. You can add as many locations as you want to target. Next, you have to select the minimum and maximum age of your target audience, the gender of your target audience, and your target language. In the Detailed Targeting section, you can select whether to include or exclude people in your audience based on demographics, interests, or behaviors. You can also target people by connections. For example, you will be able to show your campaign to friends of people who like your page. Next, you have to select your target placements in the Placements section. Here you can select Automatic Placements to show your campaign to the largest number of people possible across all placements. Or you can select Edit Placements to select specific placements. Here we recommend you to select all placements, unless you're targeting a very specific audience. Next, you have to set up your budget and schedule. Here you can select 2 types of budget. Selecting Daily Budget will allow you to allocate a specific amount of money to spend daily on ads. Selecting Lifetime Budget will allow you to allocate a specific amount to spend during the campaign's duration. In order to generate significant amounts of traffic to funnel qualified visitors, we recommend you to select Daily Budget and to allocate between $5 to $25 to get started, and to increase the amount by $5 1 week at a time until you reach peak traffic with your new campaign. There are also 2 types of schedules available. You can select the Run My Ad Set Continuously Starting Today option to run your ads right after you set up your campaign, or you can select the Set a Start and End Date option to schedule a launch and an end date. You can click on the Continue button once you are done setting up your ad set to move on to the next step. Creating your ad. Now it is time to create the ad that you'll use to generate clicks from Facebook to your website. Start by entering a name for your new ad in the Ad Name field. Now select the Facebook page that will represent your website on the Identity section. Now select an ad format on the Format section. There are several types of formats available: carousel, single image, single video, slideshow, and collection. For this example, we are going to select the single image format. Next, you'll have to scroll down to the Images section to select an image for your ad. You can either click on the Upload Images button to upload an image for your ad from your computer, or you can click on Browse Library to select one from your account. In our case, we're going to select one of our account images by clicking on Browse Library. We're now going to click on our image of choice, and then we'll click on Confirm. Next, you'll have to customize your ad. Start by selecting website as a link type for your ad. Now enter a brief description of your website in the text field. It will show above the image in your ad. Now enter your website's URL in the website URL field. Now enter a headline for your ad in the headline field. Make sure that your headline is 40 characters or shorter. Now select the Call to Action button for your ad from the Call to Action menu. Now check your ad in the Ad Preview section to make sure that it will look attractive on all possible placements. You'll be ready to launch your traffic generation campaign after you finish customizing your ad. So, you just click on Confirm to submit your ad. Now you'll just have to wait until your ad is approved to start generating traffic to your site with Facebook.